If you are getting into Stable Diffusion, you have probably heard of Automatic1111 and ComfyUI. Both let you generate AI images locally, but they work very differently. So which one is actually better? In this video, we'll break it down quickly and help you choose the right one. What they are. First, both tools are Stable Diffusion interfaces, meaning they let you run AI image generation models on your computer. Automatic 1111 is the classic web-based UI most beginners start with. ComfyUI is a node-based system where you build workflows visually. Same engine underneath, very different experience. Ease of use. Let's start with ease of use. Automatic 1111, simple interface, everything in tabs and sliders, beginner friendly, easy to install extensions. ComfyUI, node-based workflow like a flow chart, more complex at first, steeper learning curve. Verdict, if you want something quick and simple, Automatic 1111 wins. Flexibility and control. Now let's talk about power. Automatic 1111, good control, but limited when workflows get advanced. Extensions help, but can get messy. ComfyUI, extremely flexible. You can design full image pipelines, better for advanced workflows like control net chains, animation setups, and batch processing. Verdict, ComfyUI is more powerful for advanced users. Performance depends on how you use them. Automatic 1111, slightly heavier UI, can slow down with many extensions, while ComfyUI is more efficient and has more efficient memory usage, faster for complex workflows, better for automation and large batches. Verdict, ComfyUI usually performs better at scale. Community and ecosystem. Automatic 1111, huge community, tons of tutorials, most Stable Diffusion guides are based on it. ComfyUI, growing fast, strong developer community, more technical resources than beginner guides. Verdict, Automatic 1111 still leads in beginner support. Who should use what? Here's the simple breakdown. Choose Automatic 1111 if you are a beginner, if you want quick setup, if you prefer simple UI and sliders. Choose ComfyUI if you want full creative control, if you build advanced workflows, and if you work with automation, consistency, or production pipelines. Final verdict. So which one is better? There's no clear winner. It depends on your level. Automatic 1111 equal best for beginners and fast results. ComfyUI best for advanced users and full control. If you are just starting out, go with Automatic 1111. If you want to push Stable Diffusion to its limits, ComfyUI is the better long-term choice. And that's it for today's comparison. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider the like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and turn on the bell icon to never miss videos like that. Share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.